Hello, I'm Cristina Marujos and you're watching the Daily Market Comment at xm.com by Marios Hadjikyriacos. The greenback recovered some ground to start the week in the absence of any noteworthy U.S. news to drive the price action. That may change today, though, with the release of the nation's retail sales stats for June and a speech by Fed Chief Jerome Powell at 5 o'clock GMT. Most of the focus could fall on the retail control group, which is used in GDP calculations. Since this will be the final major data set before official GDP prints for Q2 are released next week, it may be crucial in shaping the narrative around how deep the Fed will cut on July 31st. Overall, the dollar may have some more scope to rebound in the coming days if incoming data remain decent enough to allay expectations for such an aggressive course of action. Brexit news flow has been scarce recently and will likely remain so until next week, when Boris Johnson is expected to become Prime Minister. The pound continues to be battered by fears of a no-deal Brexit, coupled with expectations for a dovish turn by the Bank of England soon. Employment data for May are due today, but overall the outlook for the pound remains bleak as a no-deal Brexit is looking more realistic by the day. A potential saving grace for the British currency may be the US dollar weakness in the long term, which limits any severe losses in the sterling. In New Zealand, the local dollar is trading at 3-month highs versus the greenback today. The nation's inflation data were in line with expectations, so the Kiwi's reaction was limited. Investors still expect an August rate cut by the RBNZ as trade tensions and a weak data pulse domestically amplify the case for more stimulus. In the European Union now, Parliament will vote today whether Ursula von der Leyen will become the new president of the EU Commission. Markets typically overlook such events, but this time may be different, as her appointment has faced pushback mainly by the Greens. A rejection could heighten political uncertainty and perhaps impact the euro a little. This was today's Daily Market Comment. Thank you for watching us at xm.com.